Yes, see children. So it's a time to answer the following questions. What is this? First question, what makes sweet? What makes sweet? Yes, water and soap will make you sweet. Water and soap. In the first sentence only we have a poem. So water and soap will make you sweet. And what keeps us neat? Brush and comb will keep us neat. Brush and comb will keep us neat. And see the third question. What makes you a sweeter child? But if you want to become a sweeter child, what is needed? Yes, what are those? Thank you. Please. Pardon me. Thank you. Please pardon me. Make you a sweeter child. Okay, ma. So, thank you. Please pardon me. Make you a sweeter child. Right? And see the next one. What should we make a part of our life? What should we make a part of our life? Yes, we should make courtesy. We should make courtesy a part of our life. We should make courtesy a part of our life. Right? And see the next one. What is the theme of the poem? Yes. What is the theme of the poem? See the answer. Write down. The theme of the poem. The theme of the poem is, yes, that we should be polite and have good manners. Yes, what is the theme of the poem? The theme of the poem is that we should be polite and have good manners. Yes, this poem is about manners only, na? So if we have good manners, then we are always good, right? So that's why we should learn the manners, right? Yes, see children. So next we have time to spell well. So what do we get in the time to spell well? Yes, missing letters. So see this, complete the following words. So here they have given the words and for this they gave the letters also which missed. So from this we should choose it and should write here. So see this one, first one dash, dash O-N-T-E-N-T. Dash O-N-T-E-N-T. What is that? Content. So here C is there. That if we write it, content. C-O-N-T-E-N-T. All these words from our poem only. Right? So C-O-N-T-E-N-T. Content. And the second one, see this one. Dash A-N-N-E-R-S. Manners. Right? So where do we have M here? Yes, manners. Here also C is there. Then can we tick for this? Yes. So manners. Spelling M-A-N-N-E-R-S. Right, Nana? Next third one dash H-I-L-D. Dash H-I-L-D. What is here? Yes, child. C-H-I-L-D. C-H-I-L-D, child. See the next one? Dash H-A-N-K-S. Thank you, thanks. So what can we write? T-H-A-N-K-S. T-H-A-N-K-S, thanks. Yes, next one dash A-R-D-O-N. A-R-D-O-N. What? Yes, please, thank you. Pardon. So P-A-R-D-O-N. Pardon. Again here dash L-E-A-S-E. What? Yes, very good. Please. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Next one dash L-O-T-H-E-S. What do we wear? Clothes. Yes, where do we have? C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. And next one dash W-E-E-T. We eat. What is that? Sweet. Yes, this is sweet. Next one dash O-U-R-T-E-S-Y. Dash O-U-R-T-E-S-Y. What we should get? Yes, courtesy. C-O-U-R-T-E-S-Y. Courtesy should make a part of our life. Next one dash R-U-S-H. Yes, courtesy C, we can take it here. And what left over? B. If you write here, what it becomes? Brush. Brush your teeth. B-R-U-S-H. Right? So did you understand the spellings here? So now I am repeating the words here. Content, manners, child, thanks, pardon. Please, clothes, sweet, courtesy, brush. Right? So you read again these words. Yes, children, this is, it's a time to rhyme. Rhyming words, right? You know. But here I am reading a sentence that say this as fast as you can. So very fast you can speak. Very funny if you speak it very fast. What is this? How many cookies could a good cook cook if a good cook could cook cookies? No, didn't understand. How many cookies could a good cook? Good cook. That is who cooks food, that cook we call it. So cook. So that cook, how she cooks, he or she. If a good cook could cook cookies. If a good cook could cook cookies, right? How many cookies could a good cook cook if a good cook could cook cookies, right? Yes. You speak it again, you practice it, you enjoy this one. See children, so here in this lesson, in this poem, we have another topic that it's a time to write. What can we write in this? List out things mentioned in the poem. So, in the poem, whatever the things they mentioned, that we should write. One has been done for you. So, already they have given one. What is that? What? So, this kind of things anymore are there that we should see and should write here. What did they mention? So first water and then water and soap, right? Yes. Next one, comb and brush. Brush, comb, right? Comb and brush. Next, what do we have? Clothes and shoes. Clothes and shoes. They have given 10 blanks here, but we have only things means these 6. So water, soap, brush, comb, cloths, shoes. Right? Once again I am repeating the things what we have in our poem. Water, soap, brush, comb, cloths, shoes. These we have in our poem they used. Right? And now see the next one. Make sentences using the following sentences. Following words, sorry. So here they have given some words. We should create our own sentences by using those words. Right? What is this first one? Make. Make. So what can we write? Do not make noise. Do not make noise. Right? Don't make noise. Right? Very good. And the next one, cloths. What can we write? Cloths. Cloths protect our body from heat and cold. Right? From heat and cold. So, cloths cloths protect our body from heat and cold. That's why we wear clothes now first. Yes. Next one, neat. Neat. What is this? Keep yourself neat and tidy. Neat and tidy. Neat and tidy means always very fresh, cleaned up, right? So keep yourself neat and tidy. And manners, very important word it is. What is this? Good manners. Good manners is good for society. We are living in the society now. So good manners is good for society. So if you are good for good, yes, all the people will be good in the society. Next one, courtesy. Courtesy. Yes, show your elders some courtesy. Show your elders some courtesy. Always we should show courtesy on our elders, right? So these are making own sentences, right? Yes, see children, here it's your interesting topic. What is this? Time to do project work. So you have project work. See that? Make a thank you card for your mom and papa, mommy and daddy. Write thank you for caring inside it. So your parents only caring yourself now. So how they are caring for that thank you card you should prepare. So here see the picture under there. So clue kit they have given. What is that? Thanks for the love and care, for the values you have taught, for the support you have always given. I am glad you are my parents. Right? What to write I am telling here. So write, you note it down. I am glad to be your child. I am glad to be your child. I promise that I will follow the principles and values you have taught. I will follow the principles. I promise that I will follow that the principles and values you have taught to me throughout my life. Right? Yes. And I feel very happy for the support you always provide, and thank you for your love and care for me. Right? Once again I am repeating that. I am glad to be your child. I promise that I will follow the principles and values you have taught to me throughout my life. I feel very happy for the support you always provide, and thank you for your love and care for us. Right? So this you write it down and easily. Here I only helped you, so you can write as your project. Thank you.